what I would wear if I would spend a week in Mérida. Ta-da! All right, let's go. Hey everyone, I'm Brittany. I'm an American who has lived in Mexico for the past 2.5 years, and I get so many questions. But in this video, we are going to talk about what to wear in Merida for about 5 days. Let's actually just get into it really quickly. I'm going to just do a brief rundown. Would I wear these jeans? No, I'm not, but I got these at the Kohl's sale. And this top, look at my previous videos, I went a little crazy at Kohl's. I would not wear jeans at all. Take these jeans, put them to the side because you don't wear them, just don't. Now first, I'm gonna take it one by one and then I'm gonna put it on. This is my favorite. This is my linen muumuu. I love it. This is great to just wear around the house. If you want to make a quick coffee run, maybe you run out of coffee, throw this on. It's linen. I absolutely love it. I actually bought 2 of them because I love them that much. I got this from H&M, shocked in Mexico City. The second one that I purchased, I got a stain on it, couldn't get it out, so I cut it and made it a crop top, which is really, really cute. So definitely bring something like a linen dress or maybe a linen shirt or ensemble to wear because it's hot and it's cute, right? So you don't look too bad. The next dress. I'm a dress girl, if you can't tell. I wear a lot of dresses, but I do have some linen pants and these, I guess, money green, because we manifest over here. These money green silk joggers, I have these as well. So let's talk about this dress. I've had this dress for years. It's Ralph Lauren. When I worked in a private sector in my previous life, I would have to dress up all the time, have to go into the office. But this is actually a great day to evening dress. And if you're going to Merida, this would be really nice for like a Sunday day walking around. You can definitely do a brunch, okay? Because we love a breakfast, we love a brunch. I think this would be great. If you just want to walk around, go to Plaza Grande, you can do that as well. Maybe you want to go to the mercados. This is giving you room to breathe. Breathe. Do you hear me? It's hot. This is a really good dress to wear. So definitely florals, prints. It's cool. The material makes it breathable. So it's a little bit of a thicker material, but the material is breathable. Again, I did get this from Ralph Lauren. This is really good for Merida, and I'm going to show you how I pair it, how I wear it. Yes, this is a great white dress. If you're going to Merida, all white is all right. Make sure you have something white to wear. So definitely this white dress comes in handy. I absolutely love it. It's breathable. I got this quite a few years ago for a friend's birthday party and I haven't really worn it, but I'm going to try it on for you all today so you can see how I would pair it. Definitely, do you see the sombreros behind me? Yes, bring the hats, bring the fits. This is, if you've seen me, you know, this is my hat, baby. Yes, okay. Definitely have the hat on with this. I will pair this and let you all see it. Another dress, if you're in Merida, wrap dresses, whew, it gets hot. Again, it gets hot. You sweat in places you never imagined that you would sweat. Everything sweats. The sweat sweats. And then it sweats some more. A wrap dress is your best friend. So definitely bring a wrap dress of some sort. I actually made this. I took on a pandemic hobby, which was sewing. So I started to sew, and this is the first wrap dress that I made, and I do wear it. The material is really nice. I forgot what type of fabric this is. Definitely make sure that you wear a breathable fabric. You don't want anything sticking to your body. The lighter, the better, as far as like breathability. So make sure that, you know, it's light, it moves, it's not really going to stick to you because you're going to be sweating. But yeah, definitely wrap is all right. Next, another wrap dress. I love this dress. When I purchased it, what I had in mind for this, it wraps around, is for the beach. I thought beach, pool, cover up. If you want something for day, something for night, something for the pool, definitely bring like a short sleeve or a tank wrap dress to wear. I'm gonna show it to you guys on. And again, I've already had this in my closet. It's great. This is the most clutch piece in my wardrobe. Yeah, for sure. Let's get into the pants situation. 100% linen pants. I had these made by my seamstress in Merida. I bought the materials. These is actually Italian linen that I purchased in Mexico City. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a little bit wrinkled. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it 100% with you all. I'm not gonna put any heat on these pants because I wanna wear them forever. So if it looks a little wrinkled, it's because it is. I'm not gonna steam it for this video. I probably should have next time, but I would steam it if I was wearing this out in the calles, okay? In the streets, I would steam it. I really like this and it's stretchable. I will try to link or find something for you all. I will have similar things to the items that I have for you all to purchase if you want to, so you don't have to like look around on the internet. I'll have items that I would buy that are like duplicates of this, okay? We don't buy unless we have to. So if you have something like this in your closet that's similar, take it with you. But it's vacation. You don't want to spend money on vacation clothes. You want to spend money on your vacation while you're there buying clothes from Merida. That's it. Yeah. The green silk joggers that I talked about, these were in my closet for a really long time. And I'm glad that I had them because these are clutch. These are my money green joggers. I love wearing these in the day and in the afternoon and in the evening. You can go day to night. And I'm actually going to wear this with this shirt just to show you how versatile it can be. If you're interested in what to do in Merida, I actually made a travel guide. All of it is linked in my bio in the description. And this travel guide is 42 pages and it includes a 7-day itinerary for you to fill out. But I talk about all the places where to shop, where to go eat, what to do, events in Merida, okay? And then also how to get to and from Progreso. It's loaded with so much information. Check it out. And let's try these clothes on. This is outfit number 1. As you can see, I have my joggers. Look back at it. It looks good. I'm still wearing the black top that I have. Okay, so my hair is down because I want you to see what it looks like in a hat. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Now, always hat. Merida, hat. Sombrero, hat. Hat. Bring all the hats. I would not have a big purse. What I would carry is these, right? Always make sure your zipper is facing towards you, like this, right? Here we go. Now, the reason why I say that is you need, might be time for a new hat. Make sure that when you have your purse, this zipper is faced towards you and you keep your hand on your purse. Even though Merida is one of the safest cities, you want to make sure that because petty theft happens anywhere, that you keep your things protected. So if you're maybe wearing the purse like this and you're like this, somebody can come behind you and unzip it. So zipper, face towards the girls, zipper towards the girls, all right? So you can have a great time. Now, say you might not want this hat. Okay, we're done with this hat. Baby, in Merida, they got all the hats, okay? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Yes. Now, let's look at this outfit. Okay, cute, right? Maybe I want to go to evening. Maybe I'm like, let me just lighten it up. You will find traditional purses like this. You want a pop of color, you can get this in Merida. The artisanal make this, okay? So you can find purses like this all throughout Merida and you can wear it. I love this purse. Let me come closer. It's my favorite. But it comes with, love it, love it, love it. Let's be done with this. And let's put this back on. Okay, so now we're back and we have a light. All right, it's definitely Don't play with it, okay? All right, now for heels, I have my Massimo Duty heels on. Tennis shoes would work perfect with this if you have like some white tennis shoes you want to wear. I have black Nikes, we're not going to worry about that. But a nice little heel if you want that you can walk in, I highly recommend, okay? All right, good. Is it hot? All right, next outfit. Same black top, and then my linen pants that I had made from my seamstress in Merida. It has pockets, it looks good. It feels good, it's breathing. Ha. You see the hat, you see the fit. Don't play with her. Okay, so again, what would I wear with this? Oh, I know what I would wear with this. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bam. Got these in Plaza Grande from some of the artisanal vendors. And I would do it like this. Yeah, cute, right? Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, look at this fit. It looks good. I got this in Valladolid. It looks good, right? Great investment. All the hats, all the fits. Make sure you come ready. Come ready. And then the black top, I've used it so many times. You can actually wear a white top with this if you don't want to wear black. Black is a color that always looks good on me, so I always wear black. All right, so let's see about some more fits. Next, we're gonna get into the dresses. Ooh la la. Okay, all right, dress time. So if you're wearing this, maybe you're gonna go to church, maybe you're gonna go to brunch. This is great because you can do all that. You can walk around, you can wear this dress or a dress similar to this. I do not layer. I don't recommend layering in Merida. It's hot. So you can definitely do this. Ooh, what would I wear with this? Maybe a small clutch, a purse. You don't need too much. Let me see if this would work. Does it work? I don't know. Try a different hat. Maybe. Again, I'm only wearing one same pair of heels. Maybe. Maybe. I don't hate it. Yeah. So, another outfit that you can wear. All right, bam. This is a wrap dress. Again, I bought this as a pool wrap, beach wrap, but it ended up coming in clutch in Merida because it's hot. You can actually wear, obviously make sure you have the right undergarments, but you can wear this out and around because again, it's really hot. This is light, breezy, and you get into wrap dress. I feel like this can be day, this can be night. Here I have heels on, but if you don't want to, you don't have to wear heels. That's all that I have. You can wear white sneakers, you can wear sandals. I mean, wherever it makes you feel comfortable, okay? And hat. Ooh, I think I got a good hat. I like this hat. This hat, let's see. Let me see if I can turn around. Yeah, this is the hat for this dress. Yep, this is a hat. Got this in Merida. All white dress. All white dress. Any occasion. It's hot. Definitely. Purse, hat, cannot go wrong. This is how we're doing Merida, okay? White dress, summer situation, hat. All right, what do you all think? But yeah, again, keep the accessories, keep the hat. Hat always. You guys can tell I'm sweating. Whew. These fashion videos got your girl hot. Love it. Love it. A good wrap dress. I made this myself. Got the fabric in Mexico City. My first pandemic hobby, sewing. I have this hat on. I love it. It's giving me a little bit of Carmen Sandiego vibe, isn't it? Yes. Purse. I like this with it. Yeah, I like this. Looks good. I also like this. Let me step back. What do you all think? This or this? I like both. I could do both. So yeah, it's a great hat. Always need a hat. And a good wrap dress. It's light. It's breezy. Yeah, I like this. Always have a hat. You can buy these hats everywhere in Merida. They sell them almost at all the parques, plazas, the mercado. If you go to Progreso, they'll have this as well. So you can find a hat. If not, bring your own. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't really need to see me in the muumuu. I didn't wear the muumuu, and you don't need to see me in the muumuu. But I have pictures of me in the muumuu if you like. I greatly appreciate you all being here. If you're interested in traveling to Merida, I made a Merida travel guide with a 7-day itinerary. You can look at the information on my website. I also will link it for you to purchase. I also am doing one-on-one travel consultations if you're interested in that, where we can personalize your travel to and from Mexico, just with details, things to do. There's so many things to do in Mexico and in Merida if you're traveling. Don't be afraid to read any of my articles or watch any of my TikToks. I have a lot of videos, I think hundreds at this point. So again, thank you. Please like and subscribe. Watch out for the next video. And let me know in the comments if you like this whole fashion, what to wear. Or if you have any comments in general, I will answer them. So comment below. All right, bye guys.